Let's have a quick look at two cylinder houses. So one is going to be a vertical cylinder, the other is going to be a horizontal cylinder. Well, these houses, ground floor, first floor, second floor, and yeah, there's nothing to them. Basically the same architecture, type of language, visual language as before, the same modernist based language, only that it needs to fit around volume. So for instance, you see things like this, an angle that becomes a curve, and the curve has a specific cut to it, right? Or this, by the way, this is a monometric axonometric. Right. What I want you to get out of this is the idea that you could create cylinder houses, and yeah, if you want to be more conservative, go for vertical. If you want to be more out there, go for horizontal. Cool. See you in a bit. Talk to you soon. Take care. Draw nicely.